What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the cannot access online services error you are getting when trying to play Warzone on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You should first of all make sure that the Activision servers are online in your region. Navigate to this page by clicking on the link in the description below, or simply search for Activision server status in your favorite search engine. Here, you can select the correct game in the drop-down menu to see if the online services are running for the Battle.net client. In case the issue is not related to the server you're trying to join, then make sure to open up your Blizzard launcher. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, and you can preview to which server you are connected when selecting your avatar on the top right. Next, click on the globe icon for Warzone to change your server region, and make sure to disable your VPN from running on your connection. In case the problem persists, then you might need to change your DNS server address. Open up your control panel by searching for it in your Start menu search. Make sure to view by category and click on Network and Internet. Next, click on Network and Sharing Center, and here select your connection. This will open up this window, containing some general information about your connection. Navigate to Properties, and lastly, double-click the Internet Protocol version 4. Select to use the following DNS server addresses option, and as your preferred DNS server, use 8888. And as your alternate DNS server, use 8844. This should fix the inability to access online services error when trying to play Warzone, as these are the official public DNS server addresses from Google, which are safe to use. To further troubleshoot network-related problems, I suggest updating your network adapters driver. To do so, search for Device Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, expand your network adapters. Right-click the one you are using and select Update Driver. Finally, click on Search automatically for drivers. This will take a second to download and install the latest network adapter driver. You should also make sure that your Windows version is up to date. Search for Update to open up your Search for Updates System Settings window. Your settings will open up. Click on Check for Updates, Download or Install Now, and make sure to restart your PC after making all of these changes to your OS. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.